name's Rob. I'm the production manager here at Great Notion Brewing in Portland, Oregon. The OneVision system is super simple to use after it's set up. Really not much to think about. It's very intuitive once you're taking the cans off the line, and really easy to use. Ever since we got the system in place, we have total confidence in our seams. No issues, no leaky cans leaving the brewery. I don't think we'd have the confidence in our seams without this system. Another thing the system is great for is every time we make an adjustment on the seamer, whether we're replacing a roll or a chuck, is we can immediately check our work and make sure we're still in spec. That's a huge thing that I didn't realize before, is every time you touch that machine, it's gonna throw off your readings just a little bit. So every time we make an adjustment to the machine, it gives us the confidence that we did repair right and that we're still keeping those seams nice and tight. As for OneVision service, they came out, set up the machine, but that's not all they did. They hung out for a day and helped me dial in all my specs. And to me, that's just above and beyond. Nothing but great things to say about everything we received from those guys. Overall, the OneVision seam checker is easy to use. It gives us everything we need to make sure that our product is being taken care of in the package and getting to our customers the way it should be.